So there are a lot of benefits to aromatherapy. To understand why aromatherapy works, it has a lot to do with the brain and how the brain functions in an anxiety state. What aromatherapy is doing is when you inhale the different essential oils, that smell is traveling right to the amygdala, which is sitting in the brain, but you're bypassing the digestive tract, which medications and supplements need. You're bypassing other brain centers so that the brain instantly calms down. It's sort of an instant quick fix. So that's the way aromatherapy works. Now there's some oils obviously that are going to work better than others. Some of my personal favorites are lavender, eucalyptus, bergamot, sandalwood. These are all very healing oils that if you carry them around, or you have a big event, or you have a really bad week coming up, you can sort of inhale those throughout the day. There's really not a limitation on how often you can or cannot inhale them, and it helps to sort of ease the mind and calm down anxiety and excessive worry.